In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the category title from WordPress. If you've ever wanted to streamline your site's navigation or simply prefer a cleaner look, removing category titles can be an effective way to achieve that. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you have a clear understanding by the end. First, let's talk about why you might want to remove category titles in the first place. Perhaps you're using a custom design, or you simply prefer a less cluttered interface for your visitors. Whatever your reason, the process is straightforward and can be done without extensive technical knowledge. Before we begin, it's always a good idea to back up your website. This way, you rest easy knowing that you can revert any changes if something doesn't go as planned. Most hosts provide easy backup services, or you can use a plugin to create a backup. With that out of the way, let's dive in. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub for managing your WordPress site, and from here, you can access the settings we'll need to modify. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Appearance section on the left-hand menu, and click on Editor. Now, this is where you'll be editing your theme files, so proceed with caution and make sure you're in the correct area. Once inside the editor, you'll see a list of files on the right-hand side. Scroll through these until you find the Category Template file, often named category.php. Click on this to open the file. If you don't see a file named exactly like that, check for something similar because not all themes use the same naming conventions. With the category template file open, we're looking for the line of code that displays the category title. It usually looks something like h1 class, page title, followed by the WordPress function that calls the title. Once you locate this line, you can safely delete or comment it out. Commenting out is a safer option if you're unsure. You can do this by wrapping the code with and effectively telling WordPress to ignore this section. Now that you've made this change, click Update File to save your modifications. It's always a good idea to check the front end of your website to ensure everything appears as expected. Simply refresh your site or visit a category page to see the changes. If the category title is gone, congratulations, you've successfully customized your category pages. This simple modification allows more control over the appearance and navigation of your site. Remember, each theme might have slight variations, so if you encounter any issues, double-check your theme documentation or reach out to their support for assistance. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks.